Let's learn body part name. It is your nose. It is your eyes. It is your lips. It is your neck. It is your hand. It is your finger. It is your teeth. It is your leg. It is your ear. It is your foot.